in. Japanese secret. You look like 20 years younger. Are you sick of the fine lines and wrinkles on your face that make you look older? The aging process often causes the skin on the face to be glossy. Sometimes, due to the dark and uneven spots of the skin, your face begins to look lifeless. If you want to look younger in just 1 week, then here I leave you with a beauty secret used by Japanese women. It is a surprising natural remedy, has been used for many centuries by these women, and has rice as the main ingredient. Rice has a surprisingly high healing benefits that makes skin clear and even provides tone. Removes dark spots and provides a soft texture to the skin. It has antioxidant power, especially due to the presence of linoleic acids that promote the production of collagen in the skin cell. The action reduces wrinkles and makes you look younger. One of the most benefits of rice is that it has an excellent compound that provides protection from the sun and repairs damaged skin due to sun exposure. You can use this remedy regularly to rejuvenate the skin. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of rice, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon pearl powder, optional. Preparation: in a pot on medium heat, place the water and the rice. When it is already tender, proceed to strain it and separate both. Next, you should wash the rice and then add a spoonful of warm milk. Mix well and add honey. You should continue mixing and adding the pearl powder. When everything is unified, you will get a paste. It is important that before you apply it, you wash your trail very well and eliminate any trace of impurity or makeup. Then wash your face and apply. Let it act for 30 minutes. Rinse with plenty of cold water. Finally, apply a moisturizer. It is recommended to apply